Welcome to Bong Cookhouse. Today I will make Motorsutir Pulao Refrigerated Bashi Bhat diye or peas pulao with refrigerated rice. It belongs to food recycling category. We can make wonderful, delicious peas pulao within 7 minutes with leftover refrigerated rice. It is served in the main course along with veg or non-veg side dish. It can be made as a day-to-day meal or for guests. If you like this recipe, then please subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to click the bell icon. You can also like and leave your comment below. Heat oil about 3 tablespoons and ghee about half teaspoon. Bring it to fumes. Add bayleaf 1, crushed cardamom 2, cloves 2, cinnamon stick 1 and cumin 1 teaspoon. Saute in low heat till golden brown. Add defrosted frozen peas about 3/4 cup. It is defrosted in microwave for 1 minute. Saute in medium heat for 2 minutes. Regular peas can also be added. However, fry for a longer time or boil for 5 minutes before frying. While the peas is cooking, take refrigerated rice about 2 cups in a bowl. With fingers break the lumps. Add turmeric powder about half teaspoon, optional, and salt about 1/4 teaspoon. Mix well. Pour rice into masala. Mix well. Cook for 5 minutes in medium to high heat. Stir frequently. Sometimes I make masala with black mustard seed about 1 teaspoon or sahi jeera about 1 teaspoon or sahi marich 1 teaspoon, jayatri 1/4 of a flower or javitri a pinch. They are optional. Do not use a lot of salt or oil as the pulao will be eaten with a curry which will have salt and oil. It can also be made with fresh rice. Make sure the rice is not overcooked. Ideally, rice should be 90% done and water thoroughly drained and left for some time to dry. It serves about 1 to 2 people. I'll garnish it with onion slices, tomato slices, green chili, and chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. Please try it at home. Share it with your friends and family. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. The links and recipe are given in the description box. Bye for now. Stay healthy, eat healthy, and enjoy life.